Sorry, cut.
Hi, Dad. Goodbye. No. I guess I have to say I love you. It's boring. I love you. Goodbye. Oh, wait. Huh? Do you cut yet? Yeah, I want to give you a hug. Yeah, I will. I'll kiss. Mwah!
These are my fish up here. Let's see, get good. Can't probably see it very good. Well, these are all my fish. I have this one and this doesn't work very good for this. Well, I think we're done. We're gonna walk over here and try to sneak up on my mom. Really, not my mom. Almost already used to a sky.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyson.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Okay, let's have.
Well, I think that's enough. Blow 'em out.
I don't want to do it.
No, I think blow 'em out.
Okay.
So how old are you today, Tyson, just for the record?
I don't know, but you spelled my name wrong.
No, you know what happened is the letters stuck to the top of the box. No, it really was a Y-S, but when I just took it out, the letters stuck to the box, and I had to try to put them on, so
Okay.
anyway, that's the general idea.
Huh?
And take
Paper! All right, paper all the way. Oh, cool. Where'd you get this made?
Well, what is it?
It says Tyson Newberhoff. Oh, wait, Newhoff.
It's a rubber stamp with your name on it.
and this is the stamp pad then.
Thanks.
And you know there's ink on that.
Is there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they tested it out. You got Tyson all over your face.
This one. You read this one. Oh, and then this is, good.
You want
McDonald's.
okay.
Oh, I love McDonald's. Oh,
Should be a
$5, but
yeah.
thank you.
Mm-hmm.
What's the next?
Which one is he supposed to open next?
Should I open the board?
Anyone.
Anyone.
What is that? Shirley! Oh, I knew it was a board. Oh, you got one too.
What is it?
It has all the pictures of the gay guys in it. No. It's me in my car and me in front of my building. And my dad and I.
All your pictures, all your fond memories in one place.
Big one.
Mm-hmm.
This kind big. Wow.
So you can keep all the fond memories in one place.
I like these old fashioned.
Exactly.
Come on. A white box. I mean, a red box. Walkman. Thank you. Sony too. Ooh, nice one too. Cool. It has a clock with neat. That is nice. This camera, if it gets wet, that.
I don't think you can.